Of all the elements affecting life on Earth, flooding is the most frequent, costly, and the deadliest natural disaster facing humanity. Floods are responsible for 90% of all disaster damage and are the #1 weather-related killer. As with any natural disaster, floods present unique challenges to overcome. The World Health Organization ranks a lack of warning and awareness, trouble identifying trapped people, infrastructure failures, and inefficient logistics coordination amongst the most pressing of these challenges. It's clear that a safer system to conduct search and assessment for emergency response is needed. Aeronyde's Safer network leverages a suite of powerful hardware and software tools, which work in harmony to enhance early warning systems, improve situational awareness, and streamline response efforts to get help to those that need it most before it's too late. Here's how Safer will help emergency management agencies like FEMA better prepare, respond, and recover from disasters. Before the tragic 2018 Japan floods began, a widespread evacuation warning was sent to millions of residents. Unfortunately, the notifications alone were not enough.
The Safer network would have automatically dispatched drones to properly warn residents that they are in danger and audibly recommend the closest shelters over a PA system, while also identifying and digitally mapping out the location of residents who had likely not evacuated. This way, responders can proactively identify high-priority areas and coordinate rescue efforts even before flooding begins.
When flooding occurs, time is the most critical resource. Emergency management agencies enter the response phase by coordinating search and rescue efforts, establishing initial communication networks, and performing damage assessment.
Responding to disasters is extremely resource and labor-intensive. Hundreds of responders manually report their individual accounts of victims and hazards to a command center and await further instructions from emergency coordinators.
Aeronyde's Safer network automatically deploys a fleet of drones that can scan and analyze hundreds of acres of disaster areas in minutes, not days. By leveraging over a dozen IBM Watson tools like visual recognition, machine learning, IoT, and cloud storage, the Safer network identifies and displays the precise location of blocked roads, damaged infrastructure, and missing persons in real time through a dynamic map. This provides emergency coordinators with complete situational awareness, which enables rapid and efficient resource allocation so rescuers can respond sooner and save more lives.
For many victims, the most arduous times begin after the floods recede. Flooding from Hurricane Harvey damaged more than 204,000 homes, causing $125 billion in damage, leaving tens of thousands destitute and displaced.
With the Safer network, decision makers have one centralized location to assess damages, gain better data for better decisions, and create a recovery plan faster than ever before. It doesn't stop there. Safer integrates a portal for local, state, and federal agencies to automatically post and update recovery contracts for vendors to bid on, so awards can be granted faster and at a significantly reduced cost, allowing victims to return to the way life was before the disaster.
Safer's user-friendly experience is tested and ready for maximum impact in the field. Safer promises to save countless lives and reduce the cost of recovering from devastating disasters in the process. Safer answers the call for code.